How to make a multiple choice quiz in Google Forms. Hi everyone, I'm Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Google Forms and you'll find MCQs template. Click on that. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Add your title and also add your questions. After simply adding your title and question and answers, you can see responses in here. Or go to settings and then click on make this a quiz. Turn on all the settings you want. After doing that, you'll find send option, then click on send, copy the link and send it to people or directly add email to send. And that's how you make multiple choice quiz in Google Forms. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.